and welcome back to Marketing Prof for this unique walkthrough series about this premium media platform, sourcing platform, which is known as PickBest. Okay, so PickBest is something like Envato, which is one of the leading premium media sourcing platform, or commonly known as marketplaces, online marketplaces for designers, graphic designers, and motion graphics designer, etc. Yeah, so the interesting part about having a PickBest account, okay, and there's a link in the description for you to register for a free PickBest account. So once you are a registered user, you'll get access to 2 free downloads every day. Okay, starting from the moment you start to create your account. Okay, and do you see the little banner over here? They're actually having a Lunar New Year or Chinese New Year promotion as of recording this video. Okay, so there's up to 100 new free artworks available weekly, and yeah, it will be replaced and maybe removed from the freebies section. Yeah, we just have to click on the freebies section once we've logged into our PickBest account. Alright, and you can see that there are quite a number of different categories of templates that's free to download every day. Okay, there's like the video. For video, if you have like a lot of Chinese friends or Chinese buyers or clients, so maybe you want to look into this, which is yeah, let's maximize that. Yeah, and this is also free of charge, okay, which is a daily download. Yeah, it's available in the freebies section. Okay, so this is a After Effects template, a video template, but you can only edit using After Effects, the software, okay, which is the Adobe Creative Cloud or Adobe Suite. Okay, so it has a music, okay, which is the built-in music. Alright, so maybe we can just preview this, and this is for year 2021. Alright, cool. So this is considered as the free download, okay? But usually it will be available for personal and premium licenses, which is the personal commercial use or business commercial use, which is the commercial license. Actually, a personal commercial use is also same as the business authorization or the business license, but the main difference is the amount of impressions that we are allowed to get for the videos that we are using on. Yeah, whether we publish it on YouTube or Google or any other video sharing platform or search engine. Yeah, and there's quite a number of it. This is the whole breakdown, and there's also the music. And if you're familiar with all these sourcing platform, you notice that even like Envato, you don't have the music. You have to purchase it separately from Audio Jungle, okay, or maybe somewhere else. Okay, so this is the music.
PickBest Music.
Cool. So we can actually download it. Yeah, so just click on the download button. Okay, only 2 free download for freebies. So we can just click on the download button, but we have to attribute the author. Alright, so we can just download this. Okay, so we'll be getting this. Yeah, thank you page. Okay, and the file size is about 192 megabytes. Alright, and before we can even start to download our PicBest freebies, so we'll have to get the verification code, which will be sent to our email. Okay, so there will be like an email from PicBest to get our verification code so that we could include it into our PicBest account. Okay, and all these are for personal commercial use only. It's not for massive, it's not for like Google ads and all these for paid advertising on the internet. So if you like this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share your thoughts about where you actually source your premium media, your premium elements for your videos, for your projects, your social media accounts, your pages. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell notification.